This compact Espressif ESP32-S3-BOX-3 development board combines a powerful dual-core microcontroller with a polished enclosure that feels more like a finished product than a bare evaluation kit. Its bundled dock, sensor module, mounting bracket, breadboard adapter, and included wiring make it unusually complete for experimenting with home automation, robotics, and human-machine interfaces right away. The always-listening offline voice assistant capability with continuous recognition and a generous set of customizable commands makes it ideal for projects that must work reliably even without an internet connection. A bright display, responsive touch interface, and support for modern graphical user interface tooling allow you to build surprisingly sophisticated control panels and information screens with minimal friction. Deep integration with Espressif software stacks and popular open-source ecosystems like ESP-IDF, Arduino, and PlatformIO gives the board a mature development experience and plenty of community examples to learn from. Out of the box, it serves as a practical entry point into edge artificial intelligence and Internet of Things prototypes, yet it still has enough performance and expandability to anchor long-term production-grade designs.